QR mobile data application allows you to create any type of mobile forms and checklists for your business operations. Of course, there are thousands upon thousands of forms that the companies use. In QR mobile data, you can easily create any of them using intuitive web interface. Asana is the easiest way to manage teams' work, projects, and tasks. It allows you to manage them online. Integration with Asana allows you to link QR mobile data mobile forms to the Asana task. When you do that, a task can be assigned to a field technician in Asana and is dispatched to his or her smartphone. When the field technician completes mobile form for a work order, the task is automatically marked as completed in Asana. An electronic document for the completed mobile form is automatically uploaded to Asana as a PDF document and is attached to the relevant task. Let's see how it might work for you. First, you need to create a team in Asana. For this video, we already created Team QR Mobile Data in the Asana dashboard. Now we are going to create a task. We'll call it Check Water Pump Parameters. We assign it to Bob Smith and choose a due date. We can also add a few notes to clarify the task. Second, we will take a very simple example form we previously created in QR Mobile Data. As we discussed in the previous videos, you create a form in the QR Mobile Data using intuitive web interface. Now we want employee, in our case, Bob Smith, to complete a form on a smartphone, when he performs the assigned task of checking electric parameters of the water pump. In QR Mobile Data Dashboard, select Fill out a form in the main menu, and click Create New Record. Select the form employee will need to fill, and find the item for which this form needs to be filled. Pick correct item from the list, and click Continue. Mark form as incomplete. This will allow technician to see this work order on his mobile phone, and go directly to the form he needs to complete. Now assign the form to Bob Smith, and select Asana task to which this form will be assigned. Now let's see what user Bob Smith sees when he opens QR mobile data application on his phone. After Bob logs into the mobile app, he immediately sees that he has one new task to complete. Tap on the Tasks button, and the new screen shows the list of the new tasks. When Bob taps Complete, he can proceed completing the task and filling out corresponding form, using familiar QR mobile data app interface. Complete all the fields, take photographs if required, etc. You can also sign at the completion of the process, or have a customer or other person sign off before submitting the form. Once the form is submitted, the task is automatically marked as completed in Asana, helping you to keep track of your tasks. The PDF document of the completed form is uploaded to Asana and is attached to the corresponding task. You can review completed tasks and attached documents in Asana. PDF of the report can be reviewed directly on the Asana or can be downloaded, saved, and reviewed on your computer. Note that you control the look and layout of the PDF document, using your own custom MS Word template. We hope that this short video was useful. Please, let us know what other features you would like to see in QR mobile data.